More internal wranglings are developing in the opposition as PNP President Portia Simpson Miller is now seeking to fend off any suggestion that she should resign. We were reliably informed by National Executive Council NEC insiders that the issue was hotly debated at a meeting yesterday. TVJ's Andrew Cannon has been tracking this issue.
Something has been brewing in the ranks of the PNP since the party fell short in its bid to hold on to state power on February 25. We were informed that things came to a boil at Sunday's NEC meeting at the University of the West Indies. According to our sources, there was a call for PNP President Portia Simpson Miller to walk. We asked Embattled General Secretary Paul Burke to address the matter.
Let me say it this way. One member suggested that she should consider that. I don't think it was a direct call from my interpretation of it.
Our sources said the call for the president to depart was shot down with howls of no. A party member took to Facebook. Javed Nixon, head of the Patriots, said on his page, a group of intelligent people can't have the party held hostage to stupidity and selfishness. Her unwillingness to give a clear timeline is a red line in the sand in my mind. Our sources told us former Vice President Dr. Carl Blythe was vocal regarding leadership concerns. But when we spoke to Dr. Blythe, he was not commenting and insisted that the things he said should remain within the confines of the NEC because the meeting was private. No comment as well from Lisa Hanna, who told us she was pressed for time, working on her sectoral presentation. For the past several months, she has been vocal, trumpeting calls for renewal.
You have to have the courage to throw out what is not working and have the courage to do what will work for you.
But according to Mr. Burke, the call for renewal has not been endorsed by all, and some are upset about the suggestion.
Some members take it personal, a few, and get very angry to hear opinions and ideas being expressed. For the majority of us, it's healthy discussion.
Meanwhile, the consistently outspoken Damien Crawford seems not to be surprised by the development. According to him, consequences of conduct are not clear, and that's because of the state of the leadership.
So I think that is the outcome of that reality, that there is no certainty of power where it is held and where the repercussions can come from.
He had used the PNP's current state to weigh in on the pending departure of the British Prime Minister in light of David Cameron's disastrous campaign to keep Britain in the European Union. In a Twitter post, Mr. Crawford said, "I am sure David Cameron wishes he was a PNP right now, where it's never anyone's fault and no one resigns." By the end of July, nominations should close for the PNP presidency. Andrew Cannon for TVJ.